This is the ER model of the hospital management system. The hospital management system has the entities department, which are the workstations of the doctors. A doctor's entity, it has a relationship with two entities, regular and on-call doctors. The doctors has a relationship with check-up, operate on, and as well as the patient entity. The patient entity has a relationship with entities regular and patient admit. The patient admit has a relationship with discharge patient entity. On department entity, it has an attributes, department name, department location, and facility. On doctor's entity, it has attributes qualifications, doctor ID, contact number, and department name. Regular doctor entity, it has attributes salary. And on-call doctor's entity, it has fees per call and payment due. On checkup, it has attributes diagnosis, status, and treatment. On operate on, it has attributes medicines, patient condition, and type of operation. On patient, it has attribute patient ID, patient name, and the patient name has the multi-valued attribute, which are name and the surname. And also patient attributes are gender, age, contact number, and address. On regular patient entity, it has attributes date of visit, payment, and medicines. On patient admit entity, it has attribute patient name, room number, mode of payment, patient condition, date of admission, and advance payment. On discharge patient, it has entities patient name, treatment advice, treatment given, medicine, payment given, and discharge date. And this is the ER model of the hospital management system. And this is the database schema of the hospital management system, where all departments, the doctors, the regular and on-call doctors, the patient checkup, patient operation, patient to admit, patient's entry, regular patient, discharge patient, and room details. This is the entity relationship of hospital management system.